504 English essential words. Abandon, to leave something or someone behind, usually permanently, or to give up completely. Desert, forsake, relinquish. The sailors were forced to abandon the sinking ship. She decided to abandon her dreams of becoming a dancer. After the flood, the town was abandoned for safety reasons. He had to abandon his car due to the heavy snow. The researchers abandoned the experiment when the results became unclear. Keen, very eager, enthusiastic, or having a sharp interest or ability in something. Eager, enthusiastic, passionate. Sarah is a keen photographer and spends hours capturing nature. He has a keen interest in history and loves reading old books. I'm not too keen on the idea of hiking in the rain. She has a keen eye for detail, making her an excellent editor. The dog has a keen sense of smell. Thank you for like and subscribe us. Jealous, feeling or showing envy of someone or their achievements and advantages. Envious, covetous, resentful. He was jealous of his friend's new car. She felt jealous when she saw her ex with someone new. They became jealous of each other's success at work. His jealousy often caused problems in their relationship. I try not to be jealous of other people's success, but it's difficult sometimes. Tact, the ability to say or do the right thing without offending others. Diplomacy, sensitivity, discretion. She handled the situation with great tact and didn't upset anyone. His lack of tact often made him unpopular at work. The manager praised her for dealing with customers tactfully. Knowing when to speak and when to remain silent requires tact. It takes tact to tell someone bad news without making them feel worse. Oath, a solemn promise, often invoking a divine witness, regarding one's future action or behavior. Vow, pledge, promise. He took an oath to serve and protect his country. The witness was asked to swear an oath before testifying. They made a solemn oath never to reveal the secret. Breaking an oath is considered a serious offense in many cultures. The newly elected official took an oath of office. Vacant, not filled, used, or occupied, available. Empty, unoccupied, open. There were no vacant rooms at the hotel. The seat next to me is vacant, you can sit here. The house has been vacant for years since the family moved out. We are looking to fill the vacant position in our company. Her face had a vacant expression as she stared out the window. Hardship, severe suffering or privation, usually due to lack of basic necessities. Adversity, difficulty, struggle. They endured many hardships during the long journey. Financial hardship made it difficult for the family to afford basic needs. The refugees faced great hardship while trying to escape the war zone. She overcame all hardships to achieve success in her career. Many people faced economic hardship during the pandemic. Gallant, brave, heroic, or showing special attention to women. Courageous, valiant, chivalrous. The knight made a gallant effort to save the princess. He was known for his gallant manners towards all women. Despite the dangers, the firefighters made a gallant attempt to rescue the family. His gallant behavior won him admiration from everyone. The soldier's gallant stand in the face of the enemy was unforgettable. Data, facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. Information, statistics, figures. The data shows a significant increase in sales over the past year. We need more data to make an informed decision. His research is based on years of collected data. The scientist analyzed the data before drawing conclusions. The company uses customer data to improve their services. Unaccustomed, not familiar with or not used to something. Unfamiliar, unused, unacquainted. He was unaccustomed to the cold weather and found it hard to adjust. She felt unaccustomed to the loud noise in the city. The new employee was unaccustomed to the fast-paced work environment. He is unaccustomed to public speaking, so he was nervous. The athlete was unaccustomed to losing, having won many championships before. Bachelor, a man who is not married. Single man, unmarried man, celibate. He remained a bachelor for most of his life. My uncle is a confirmed bachelor who enjoys living alone. The bachelor threw a party to celebrate his new home. He met his wife after years of enjoying bachelor life. The bachelor apartment was perfect for his minimalist lifestyle. Qualify, to meet the necessary standard or requirements for something. Certify, become eligible, pass. He worked hard to qualify for the national team. You need to complete the training program to qualify for the job. She qualified as a lawyer after passing the bar exam. This degree will qualify you for a wide range of positions. The team didn't qualify for the finals this year.